YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a continuation of what I got from selling my Chanel medium large classic flap. So as you guys know, I bought 2 bags after I sold that one bag, and one of them was the Dior Caro bag in the black supple leather. This bag, I absolutely love it. I purchased it from the Hawaii Dior boutique in Waikiki, and they shipped it to me. If you want to know the whole story, I will link that video down below. But I got one more thing to accessorize this bag, because everybody knows who watches my channel, I like to accessorize my bags. So if you want to see what that one thing is, stick around. I'm going to show you here in just a second. So this item actually came from Fashionphile, because you can get really good prices on Fashionphile on certain things, and this is one of them. And they had a pretty decent selection when I bought this item, and I had liked all of them. And when you like things on Fashionphile, like put the little heart by them, then what happens is when they go on sale, they will send you a notification. And most of the time, my fingers aren't fast enough. If I want to buy something, it's already gone when it gets marked down. I think there are people out there who just like stalk it and get it before me. But in this case, I rushed to the checkout button because I knew it was something I wanted for my new Dior bag. So I may be opening this from the bottom, but I didn't want to open it on the side with my label. So it says from the bottom of this box, thank you. That's kind of a nice little touch, Fashionphile. Go ahead and take out the tissue paper. And there is some confetti in there, but it looks like it's mostly contained. It hasn't exploded out of the box. I do have the Fashionphile nail file. I'm going to set that aside. So this item did not come with a dust bag. Let's go ahead and see what it is. So everybody out there who watches my channel knows I am a strap happy soul. And wait a minute. Let me grab my glasses here. So this is supposed to be a black on black strap with beige trim. And I am pretty darn sure that that is navy. And I actually considered getting the navy. It was a little bit less expensive than the black with beige. And I thought it might look good with my rust and navy colored Caro bags. I thought it might look a little better, but I really wanted to focus on this black one. So when the black on black with beige went on sale, I snapped it up, and that is not what they sent me. This is not black. Let me grab something navy so I can show you. So here are some jeans. You can definitely see that it's navy when you look at it with the jeans. Well, shoot, let me go talk with Fashionphile and see what happened here. I don't know if they sent me the wrong number, the wrong item number, or if they had it mislabeled, or what happened. Let me go find out, and I will get right back to you. Okay, I spoke to Fashionphile, and I also checked what they have available. And when I bought this strap, there were actually multiple black with beige available for around $100 more, and they have all sold. And that would have been my first choice. In fact, it was my first choice. I didn't pick the navy, but now all they have for a reasonable price is navy. The retail on these is $1,250, which is insane. And I got this one, I think, for $705, maybe $710, around there. And so almost half price, and I didn't pay tax. And I thought I was getting the black instead of the navy here. And now they only have one that is black, and they check their inventory that they have coming in, and they don't have any more. And they've got it priced at $1142. When I bought this, they had one for, I believe, $805. So that is very disappointing. So I spoke with the gentleman on the phone about it, and he looked at pictures I sent over, and he said that he could definitely tell it was navy, that he thought it was a listing error, that they had written black because everything else was correct on it. And I told him, I said, the reason I bought this one when it went on sale is because it was black. And if you look closely at the listing photos, you can tell that it is navy, but I just clicked so fast because I trusted what the title said. It said black with beige or whatever. It didn't say anything about navy like all the navy ones do. That said, what I asked him is if they would be able to discount this a little more because of the error, or if they would be able to send me the black one for the same price, because those are two solutions that I thought could work. And in the meantime, I thought I would try it on with my black Caro as well as one other bag. So I'm not opposed to keeping it. I just feel like they should do something for sending me the wrong color, since the black ones tend to go for higher dollar amounts than the blue ones. So the reason I wanted this strap is so that this bag would be more wearable. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the strap off that comes with the bag. You just have to find the little notch, which I think is right there, and you meet them up, and then you're able to just separate them. Now, Givenchy, I think that's how you say it, they have something similar that clasps their straps onto their bags. And when I had one, the mini Anagona, it fell off quite frequently. I have not had that happen with the Caro with these little tiny Dior links. I haven't had that happen. When I was in Hawaii at the store, the only thing I didn't like about these straps is how bulky the hardware is. Like, I feel like Dior should make some daintier hardware for feminine bags, or maybe just to make bags more feminine, because this bag could definitely go masculine or feminine depending on how you dress it up. So I'm going to go ahead and try it on. I'm dressed in green today because I'm going to my nephew's baseball game and their colors are green and navy. And so I have on a green top. I'm going to probably put on a navy hooded cardigan or something. And then I'm also carrying my Speedy 20 in, I think this is actually the ink shade. So this is the same color blue, I think, as the Keepall that I have my eyes on that I would love to find. But of course that Keepall is very different than this bag. But this is my bag of the day. And I'm going to go ahead and try on this Caro for you with the jacquard straps so you can see, because you may have a Caro and have considered one of these. And I will tell you, I tried on the Caro with the thicker strap in Hawaii, and I felt like it was overwhelming for the bag, especially considering that it already has such chunky hardware. To go even wider was too much for me. Now, you may have a wider one and love the look, and if you do, please let me know, because I may be totally off base. I would love to see photos if you want to email them or Instagram them to me if you have the thicker strap, because I'll admit when I'm wrong if something looks fabulous, and I might even consider picking up one myself if I'm proven wrong. So when you wear this strap, I'm kind of squatted down. I have it on my hip. I could bring it up higher, like here. I tend to like my bags a little higher. The only thing I don't want to do is bring the buckle over the Christian Dior, so I would probably bring it kind of close to that. And this part is on the top of my shoulder, kind of underneath my hair. And I like that because it makes it very discreet. So I've tried this a couple different ways, and I feel like having the little dog leash clips with the fastening part facing outwards is the best look, but I don't know. I still think that those are a little bulky, but this makes the bag so extremely comfortable with this strap. Like, this buckle is the perfect size. I'm wearing a thin t-shirt. It doesn't bother me one bit. The Dior is wrapped over my shoulder. And of course, what's running across my back is just the navy and the beige. And actually, I do really like this color combo with the Caro. I think that the navy will go well with many different things in my wardrobe with denim, and it just makes the bag much more casual. I think the black on black strap would look fantastic as well, but this combination, I don't have an issue with it. And if Fashionphile is willing to give me a little bit of a discount, that would make this whole transaction just all that much sweeter. So there's one more bag I thought about when I got this strap, because if you know me, you know I like to mix straps with different brands, as long as the brand doesn't have its name or like a C or anything emblazoned across the front. This is my Coach Soft Pebble camera bag, and there's virtually no branding on it at all. It doesn't say Coach on the front clasp. It does have this little tag that says Coach, but Nobody is going to know that. And I want to try this strap on with this bag because I think it's going to look amazing. Nothing about this strap matches either of these bags perfectly because it's smooth leather here. And at least for the Caro, the hardware is much shinier than this is. The hardware in this actually matches the Coach hardware pretty perfectly. So I love that. I also love slinging the camera bag across me like this. Now I have several guitar straps that match this Coach bag, but I really love it with this Dior strap. This is so neutral. These are the two guitar straps I have that match this soft pebble camera bag, and they are a perfect match. The more caramel colored one does have smooth leather, just like the Dior strap, but if you look at those clips, they are so similar. They're not quite as chunky as the Dior strap, but they're so similar. In fact, I think that this strap would look really good with the Dior bag as well. And I hadn't thought about that until just now. But I do love that this one is navy and black with the black. I do think that that looks amazing with the Coach bag. So like I mentioned before, I don't like to mix straps and bags if there's branding on the strap that contradicts the bag. But in this case, there's no real branding on this Coach strap. And with the black trim, I think it's going to look amazing on the Caro as well. So I figure let's go ahead and try it. You never know. So that is a whole nother vibe for this bag. And I have to say, I'm here for it. I like this one, I think, as well as the Dior one. And of course, these are a fraction of the price. I got this one with the Coach tally bag, and I've recently seen the tally bag that comes with the strap on 24S for around $300. So you can get this strap plus another black strap with grommets and the tally bag for less than half of what I paid for that Dior strap. So that is a pretty awesome combo, but I will tell you, where this buckle hits me, it is not as comfortable. So I would have to wear the bag a little lower for it to be more comfortable. And that's not bad at all. The Dior strap though, it's like chef's kiss perfect in terms of comfort. And this one, I can feel it just a little bit more. So I hope you enjoyed this strap happy video. I am strap obsessed, and I do think that the two options that I have now for this bag, one of which I had all along and I didn't even know it, are going to be amazing for dressing it down and wearing it more often than I would have otherwise. And the fact that that Dior strap looks amazing with this bag as well makes me think that this could be a real contender to take on vacation with me, because I love the look, but I wouldn't be wearing quite as much money on my body when I'm in a foreign country. So I'm kind of thinking that might be a fun bag to bring along. It is so functional. The leather's so soft. It holds more than you would think. And so this one may come along with me too, now that she has a additional strap to wear her with. I will update you about what Fashionphile says about sending me the wrong color, but I think I'm going to keep it regardless, because at the price I got it, it was a good deal, even though it was the wrong color, and I think it looks really good. Please let me know what you think down in the comments below, and let me know if you've ever had Fashionphile send you the wrong item before like this. I have never experienced this before, but I think that they'll probably make it right, and even if they don't, I'm still pretty happy with the end result. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it, and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.